This is stylist Kimberly Ruffin. Let's get into it, Kim.
I like to use these particular scissors because they're actually, I think, like lash scissors. So that's my bed head extra hold spray. I really like it. I spray it on my lace because it helps keep the knots intact. And then on top of that, it actually helps with the hold. And then I take my comb and I just kind of push the adhesive through the lace with my comb.
Order your double frontal right now at www.worldwidebeautyshow.com. Let's go to work, Kim. Let's go to work.
Issa Torres on the beat, boys. Stellar clock making fire.